After visiting the factory where the equipment is stored, the next stop is the component assembly workshop for the equipment. All our self-propelled scissor lifting equipment is assembled in this workshop. After a general inspection, we'll head to our components processing plant. After exiting the workshop, there are also some equipment for maintenance and upkeep by the roadside. We'll take the opportunity to visit and learn about them. Our sales team will patiently explain all the details about the equipment models, specifications, and other related information. Here is our components processing plant. Our scissor boom arms, various steel pipe components, and all manufacturing processes are completed here. We will leave no stone unturned in addressing all our clients' questions regarding the components, offering them comprehensive and candid answers. Since wearing masks is required at the workplace, we didn't stay here for long this time. After the observation, we'll head to the next equipment site.